Hello friends, hope you are doing well. So today we are going to discuss and also see the live demo of form GST PMT 09. As we all aware that GST department through notification number 13/2019 dated 28th of June 2019 have inserted a clause 13 in rule 87 of CGST rules specifying that a registered person may on the common portal transfers any amount of tax, interest, penalty, fees or any other amount available in the electronic cash ledger under the act to the electronic cash ledger for integrated tax, central tax, state tax or union territory tax or cess in form GST PMT 09. So provision was inserted in June 2019, but functionality was not available on the GST portal. So today on 21st of April 2020, the functionality of form GST PMT 09 has been enabled on GST portal, and we ourselves successfully filed one form GST PMT 09 for a taxpayer, and we want to share that demo, that live session with you, so that can also help you in filing form GST PMT 09. As we all aware that technically there was some mistake in the beginning of GST while depositing the amount in electronic cash ledger. Amount was deposited in fees while we need to deposit in penalty, or amount was deposited in others while we need to deposit it in tax. So our amount was deposited in integrated tax while we need to deposit it in central tax. So whole this problem appears. The earlier option was to take a refund from the GST department, which was also a very cumbersome process, because in the first initial 2 years of GST implementation, a refund application was offline. Now even it is online, still it is a very cumbersome, lengthy process, and it takes time to get amount back into your bank. So now you can transfer that unused money to the used minor head or major head where you want to use it. So what is a major head? Integrated tax, central tax, state tax and cess are the major heads. What are the minor heads? Tax, interest, penalty, fees or others. So these are the minor heads. So let's see the form first and then we'll see the live demo. So here is the form PMT 09. What it says, what is your GST number, then what is the legal name, what is the trade name. All these things will be appear auto populated. Then ARN and date of ARN will appear once you will file this form. So in section 5 you have to enter the details, amount to be transferred from one account to another account. So here are the two columns, amount to be transferred from, amount to be transferred to. So under from, firstly you have to select the major head, whether you want to transfer from integrated tax, central tax, state tax or cess. Then you have to select the minor head, from which minor head you want to transfer the amount, and then you have to enter the amount. Thereafter you have to select the account you want to transfer the amount to. So firstly you have to select the major head, then you have to select the minor head, then you have to select the amount. So once you have successfully select from and to, then you have to verify this form, and thereafter this form will be filed. Once this form is filed, amount will instantly transfer from one major head minor head to other major head minor head. There is no approval required from the department. This is an automatic process. So we will see it live. So firstly what you have to do, you have to log into your GST account. So you have logged into your GST taxpayers login. So you have to go to the services, then ledgers, and then the electronic cash ledger. Under electronic cash ledger, earlier only one option was appearing, that is electronic cash ledger. Now there are two more additional options. One is file GST PMT 09 for transfer of amount, and second is view filed GST PMT 09. So under this option you have to file the form, and under this option you can view the filed form. So firstly you have to select this option. Once you will click on this option, then this window will appear. Under this is the breakup of your electronic cash ledger. Now if you can see, we have a problem with the fees amount in integrated tax, which cannot be used in the current scenario. Then also we have a unused balance in others column of integrated tax. What we want to do, we want to transfer this integrated tax fees amount to central tax fees amount, and this integrated tax others amount to state tax others amount. So what should be the picture after filing form PMT 09? Fees should become 0, others should become 0, central tax fees amount should become 9575 and state tax fees amount should become 9575. Let's see the actual scenario. What is the next step? You have to go to add records option. In this add records option, firstly you have to select from. So under from, select the major head. In our case it is integrity tax. Then you have to select the minor head, which is fees, because in this account we want to transfer the amount. Then you have to select the amount, which is rupees 5000. Then transfer amount to. So what is the major head? Central tax. What is the minor head? That is fees. So we have selected this option, we have clicked on save button, and this will appear. Amount transfer from integrated tax fees to central tax fees. Again we have to fill the second entry, which is integrated tax others to state tax others. So sorry, state tax fees. So we have filled that entry and it appears like integrated tax others and then state tax minor head fees and rupees is 5000. If you are satisfied with this, you have to proceed to file. Once you will click on proceed to file, this picture will appear. So this is the preview of electronic cash ledger, which will come once you will file this form PMT09. So here you can clearly see fees is 0, others is 0, and central tax become 9575 and state tax become 9575. So it seems like we have successfully choose the correct option to transfer the amount. Then you have to select the verification button and then you have to click on file GST PMT09. Once you will click on this, then this section will appear, and surprisingly you will see that it is a case of private limited company and file with EVC option is appearing. Now this is also another update on GST portal. What department did, due to the limitation of lockdown, they have enabled the option of EVC in case of corporates as also. And why this is done? Because it is a practical scenario that lot of people have forgot their digital signature in their office, or that digital signature is lying with their consultant's office. So due to this limitation, they are not able to file their forms or returns of any manner on GST website, including LUT or this PMT09 or GSTR 3B. So department have enabled filing of form with EVC for corporates also, so that they can file their respective forms, and that will ease their you can say process of doing business. So what we did, we practically filed this form PMT09 with EVC option, and it has been successfully filed. So this option is working correctly. So once you will click on EVC or DSC button, then you have to fill the EVC and form will be successfully filed. So here is the successfully filing of the form. What you have to do now, you have to copy this ARN number and you want to check it on the GST website whether amount has been correctly transferred on the cash ledger. So you have to go to your cash ledger again. You have to go to services, ledger, electronic cash ledger. Now this time you have to click on the button view filed GST PMT09. Once you will click on this button, this window will appear. You have to enter your ARN number. If you are not having your ARN number, you can search it by date option. Once you will search it, you will find that ARN, date, amount transferred, and the status is filed. You can download it also by clicking on this ARN number. You can download this PMT09 also. However, I want to check my electronic cash ledger also. So I will do, I will go to the services, then ledger, then electronic cash ledger, and what is appearing that on 21st of April 2020, I can clearly see there is a debit of integrated tax, because we transferred from integrated tax rupees 10,000, which is the major head, and what were the minor heads? 5,000 fees and 5,000 others. This amount was credited, transferred to central tax 5,000 and state tax 5,000. So it clearly seems that amount has been correctly transferred, and it was transferred live. So the amount has been transferred from integrated tax to the central tax, and the closing balance is appearing like this. So now you can utilize this 10,000 which was pairing from years or from months in your electronic cash ledger. Now you can utilize that amount. So friends, this is the live demo of form PMT09. We have seen the provisions of rule 87 clause 13. We have seen the form in CGST rules also, and now we have also seen the live demo from this PMT09. Also we have also seen that EVC option is working for corporates also. So friends, with this we conclude the video. We request you to please like the video, please share the video if you find it suitable. That will help other taxpayers and professionals also, and please subscribe the channel for other latest valuable videos. Thank you friends.